Great, we understand the data model or manage object model. Now, onto the rest of these. It's important to remember that these 7 classes always work together as a team, called the core data stack. As such, it's very useful to treat them as a team, as opposed to individuals. We can therefore keep the whole team in one class, oddly enough called core data stack. Even though in our day-to-day we will use this class without thinking too much about what's inside, it's worth taking a look at the code to see what makes it tick. Note that this class is pretty much what Apple provides you with, so don't feel bad for using it as is. It's the boilerplate class from the Apple developer site on core data. Let's start with the initializer. Its job is as follows. It reads a model file, and this is the extension of the model file once it has been compiled by Xcode, momd. Then it creates a SQLite store for it inside the documents folder, and it will call it model.sqlite. Once it's done, it initializes a context and connects all these necessary parts into a persistent store coordinator. The coordinator will also perform migrations. That's something that we'll deal with later. And if everything goes okay, we get no errors, we exit, and we have all the core data stack ready to work. There are several utility methods that are available here, such as drop all data. This will delete all the objects inside of your SQLite store, but it won't delete the files. So it just empties the tables. This is useful while you're developing. And we also have the save context method, which builds on top of the method save from the context in the following way. Whenever you call save context, it will first check if there's any changes that have to be saved, and then we'll save. So this will make our stack a little bit more performant. There are other features that we will need, such as migrating data models or implementing an autosave. We'll add them along the way when they become necessary. Let's get started.